Foot-tapping music, hummable songs, effervescent ambience, colorful props and cheerful souls. You have everything here that you'd expect to find at a party, only here it's all about learning and education. Indradhanush spreads out its welcoming arms to the children of Jamnagar in Gujarat. In keeping with its focal endeavours at improving quality of education, SR Foundation organised this vibrant 2-day edutainment festival for school children on the 23rd and 24th of January 2014. The event was hosted at the grand venue of Kandla Port Trust Stadium in Vadinar. 20 organizations of national repute, greatly experienced in alternate education and activity-based teaching and learning methods, facilitated interactive workshops and hands-on experiential learning activities both for children and teachers. The festival focused on making science, mathematics, language, art and environment interesting and creative by use of multiple media and tools. Ms. Vasuben Trivedi, Honorable Minister of State for Higher and Technical Education, Women and Child Development (GOG), marked her presence as the chief guest for the opening ceremony. She indulged enthusiastically in some of the activities in the stalls.
એક ભારત શ્રેષ્ઠ ભારત અને એટલા માટે મેઘધનુષના બધા જ રંગોને એક કરીને એક ભારતનો ભાવ આમાંથી ઊભો થાય એમ હું સમજી શકું છું.
Senior officials of SR, including Mr. Lalit Gupta, MD and CEO SR Oil Limited, Mr. C. Manoharan, Director Refinery, Mr. KB Makadia, Head VPCL, and Mr. Deepak Arora, CEO SR Foundation, also participated in the fervour.
तो हमारा ऐसा मानना था कि जो फंडामेंटल्स हैं साइंस और मैथमेटिक्स के कहीं ना कहीं पर वो थोड़े से वीक होते चले जा रहे हैं. इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए इस कार्यक्रम का डिज़ाइन किया गया. SR फाउंडेशन भारत में करीबन 500 गांव में काम करती है. करीब 5 लाख लोगों को हम हर साल 5 लाख लोगों तक पहुंचते हैं. ये हमारा एक कंट्रीब्यूशन है नेशन बिल्डिंग को.
और ऐसा ग्रुप में हमारा ये विशेष मानना है कि जो भी हम CSR का कार्यक्रम चलाते हैं उसमें सबसे महत्वपूर्ण यदि कोई कार्यक्रम है तो वो दो हैं. एक तो एजुकेशन है और दूसरा हेल्थ केयर है. यदि हमारे बच्चे पढ़े लिखे होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे, तो हमारे देश को सुपर पावर बनने से कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा.
Fun with maths, arts and crafts to initiate questioning, making toys from recycled materials, quality English language learning using digital learning software, art and science of origami, art and science of pottery, creative for self-development were some of the themes of the interactive workshop stalls. The special attractions were the demonstration stall on solar energy, the books and toys fair, the science exhibition and the film festival. Besides, hands-on learning of block printing on fabrics with national award-winning artisans was an experience both children and adults felt enriched by. Dr. P.B. Vasoya, President District Panchayat Jamnagar, was the chief guest for the closing ceremony. A major crowd puller for the 2 days was K. Sir, as he is lovingly called by the children. A retired school teacher, K. Sir thoroughly indulges in composing and singing children's songs in Gujarati. This Pied Piper of sorts untiringly engaged his audience with his popular numbers on demand. Indradhanush saw the enthused participation of about 2,300 children and 100 teachers across 29 schools of Lalpur and Khambaliya talukas.